Here we are live in Mentees. Keep talking about that bid pop.
57%,
See,
holding
that's
at 50,
what I'm talking about.
50%.
In order for that bar to keep going higher, this thing's got to bid pop
50%.
toward 75 now
56.
to get up here in these higher teeny lines.
Above
Break
half
up
bar,
them high,
56%.
high and the low right there.
Comp and NDX.
All right, 576.
Gaining in the IR. 61.
Whoa.
61 just flashed. 57, 61.
Ooh, 11. You got to go up and break that
61.
ratio high. So you got to have a series of ratio highs,
57s.
and you got to get elevated.
7.
Say elevated.
Holding 57. 61.
Price action in play.
61
Price
in play.
action in play.
59.
55 and higher. Got to get 55 and higher.
99.
Oh, geez.
50.
Look at that bid popping.
1.
Look at that. This got to go above
50.
10. There it is. 10. Now, burn it.
46 slid the bid.
They
56,
slid that
pump
bid
it.
into level 2.
All indexes breaking out.
1-8 delta up on PQQ.
Here it is
56.
live on that opening bell. That short isn't getting squeezed yet. We're looking how that short seller is going to get squeezed on that
54.
369 MMTs.
7.
55, got to go towards
61.
75. Squeeze that short out. That's how that price action gets up to that delta line. We need to consolidate up there, and that's how that moves right
61.
there. That's got to go above 10, though.
52, 61.
Live entry. This isn't fake, man. We're market makers.
7.
Let's get a grip on that versus
6,
the public
460.
model. Hey, we're making a market right now between the
59.
public, schizophrenic buy and sellers, and what
59.
we're doing is we're pegging that price for the
Holding
breakout.
59. Comps at 9. EXN dropped to 0. Comp and NASDAQ burning
Here
at
we
100.
go. We said we got to get above 75.
71.
I got my new MMTs right
Breakout
here.
on
So,
NASDAQ.
Leo, you see that breakout, Leo and Bill?
75.
Impressive.
Yes,
See
it
ya.
is, sir.
Five.
You're live right here during this breakout on the opening bell and your free
71,
5-day trial.
67.
At least, you know, that's what price action is. You got to go above 75 now.
72.
And you got to break that high right here, 22.
68. 74. 74.
This is live right now. We're trying to push that delta up
EXN's
there
at
because
0.
we're above 75. We got to break this trend ratio high. We're at 0.16. Look at that. Here, that's how price action
80%.
builds. And over here in the level 2 in these prints, we've been buying
80%.
these contracts over here just to have a little bit on this breakout. And
82.
you know, we thought we would. So we did, and we got to be staying up here above 75 for the rest of the day.
80%.
And every time we pull back, we would want to see that we would pop. We need to break
79.
0.22 higher. 22 must go
77.
higher. Must break trend ratio high.
82.
Must
Flash.
stay elevated above 85. Got to go above
VXN too low.
85 to get price action above delta
83.
line. Must go above 85
84.
for price action line.
82 holding.
Must go above 85.
Comp at
Must
85.
break
NASDAQ 86.
0.22 high.
Breaking higher in Google at
85.
85.
It ticked one time. Must go above
81.
85.
Holding
Here we
83.
go. MMT. When we couldn't get above 85 here, that's why we couldn't get above that delta line, just like I said. So basically, when we pull back in this IR, better stay above 75. Just the opposite of what it was doing yesterday when they were selling the name down all day. It's still a weak move, but I'm going to tell you that this teeny line, when we got up here at 80, you will not go above there unless that gets above 85. And we need to stay elevated here on a timestamp in your MMT platform so that you got price stability for the next
80%.
delta up lines. And you must get above 85 in order to go above the teeny line. In order to go above the teeny line. And you must break 0.22 ratio. I got above 85. I got above 85. I'm
Looking for
coming
a
up
new
to that
entry.
teeny
We just got
line.
above
This
that
is
open
live,
print.
right there.
89.
Sold it.
Right there, right at that 90.
90.
This is what I'm telling you. You got to be above 85. Got to be above 85. I did not break that ratio high.
80.
Alert.
Here we are. We're 84. We got to get to 99, and it's got to break out and tick harder. But it's not getting above 85. I'm at 0.16 MMT.
81.
I've got to break 0.22
84.
MMT. Teeny action line. Teeny action line. At 85 and higher, I break it.
Holding. Getting ready to go
Google at
back
87.
in.
86. 85. Google at 84.
Getting ready to go back in. Holding 80.
Got to break it.
Google at 83. Comms at 94. NASDAQ 83. BXN 26.
18 and higher.
Google's
Gotta buy up.
86.
They got to buy up this side of the market right here.
Google at 86.
Yeah.
86.
97.
Holding 86.
They need a bid pop. They need a bid
85.
pop. I need a bid pop.
88.
Ah, damn it. How in the hell?
85.
Damn daily chart.
85.
Over here.
82. Holding at 83.
Crap. All right, here we go. Going
Google
back in.
85.
20-minute bout.
5.
See that, Bill? That was called a bid pop. You're at 95 over here. Leo, what do you think? Does it work or does it not? That's how
92.
you take that market, make a spread.
92.
Market maker. Make me a market.
92.
Say market
93.
maker, make me a market. Now you got to stay elevated up here for a period of time.
Well, that was terrible.
The longer that you stay
Cancel
there.
that. Cancel it.
Oh,
97.
97. You got a thrombone now. The longer that you stay elevated here, you will pull back.
99.
But then you would bounce and make higher highs. Just the
98,
opposite
100%.
of the sell down
100%.
yesterday. This is, once again, a special breakout. As we were buying down here,
100%
we
on
can
Google.
clearly see that the contracts that we paid at $13.70 now, thank goodness we got 10 of them.
Alert. Google
Hey, buddy, you better watch the 570 call. Do I
I'm
need
watching it. It's 17 by 1720. I told you they're not moving the asks at all on the 580.
But we're
NASDAQ,
right back close to our
100%.
entries. Right?
I'm
What's that?
positive
Too high on
on
the
my call
NASDAQ.
scenario.
Too high on the NASDAQ. Too high on the
All
NASDAQ.
right, let me. There's that bid pop
Too high on
here.
the NASDAQ.
Google at 99.
Here we are. We're bid popping. We're bid popping. We've been at 99. We've been at 100. We've been sitting here thromboning for about in this whole 3-minute bar that and they bid popped at a couple
Google at
dollars.
96.
That's how you get that market maker bid pop. Still down 27 million, but somebody in there is starting to get those short sellers to cover.
Google at
And
100.
when
New
short
high.
sellers are covering, this is what it does in our brain here. We've made a series of ratio highs
Google at 100%.
so far. And we're 0.29. We're about to make another ratio high. How do you break that
99,
ratio
100% on
high?
Google.
Is that you got to keep just thromboning, and that bear is getting bid popped in that bid and ask. So they're printing 78. So printing this side of the
100% on
market.
Google.
This side of the market jumps in front of here. They have to buy up down here, and that's what provides part of that bid pop in our market maker system. Just made another ratio high. What a very good
97 on Google.
breakout
99.
live with
98.
MMTs. How do MMTs feel right about now, including the new ones?
99
The
on
psycho
Google.
freaks are running for cover.
Awesome,
Yeah.
man.
98%.
Okay,
Google 94.
and you know that's what we got to look at. And the thing about it
Google
is,
94, 92,
Mr.
90.
Schubeck, if we get a
24.
if we get our valuation up at the end of the day,
Out of 1.
and the short seller cannot get back in, this thing will stay elevated all day.
Yeah.
And the shorts will get more frustrated. We will have our normal $3 pullbacks now once we do get the high, and that's another ratio high. So you're pulling up to 26 now. Now, does this number here you're going to have slide the bid. You're going to have the little bit of volatility in the short term. Live trade right here to the peak of that high.